Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the ELAP TouchPods True Wireless Earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earphones along with its charging case. Up top, we have the ELAP branding. On the right hand side, we have the model name of the product. On the left hand side of the package, we have a QR code that leads to the registration page for the warranty. It will also give you some details regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the bottom, we can see that it is compatible with Apple devices, Android devices, and Windows as well. The right hand side is exactly the same as the left. There is a slogan on top that says inspired by you, and the bottom has the website for the brand. On the back of the box, we have a few of the salient features, which include advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, easy to carry, intelligent touch function, auto pairing, IPX5 sweat resistance, and up to 16 hours of battery life with the charging case. Over here, we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom of the sticker, we have the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is a thank you note from the brand. On the back, we have a link where we can give feedback to the brand as well. Next, we have the warranty card and it has the QR code as well, which can help you register for the warranty. Once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Lastly, in terms of the reading material, we have the user guide. This will help you understand the various functions and features of the earphones and will help you get started off with using them. There is a charging cable as well, which has a USB Type A interface on one end and a USB Type C interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 12 inches long. A plethora of ear tips have also been provided in a variety of shapes and sizes. Coming to the earbuds, we can see that it has a glossy black and matte black color theme going for it with a glossy finish on the outside, and on the side that touches your ear, we have a matte black color scheme. On the inside, we also have the indicator that marks which earbud this is, basically which ear the earbud is for. This particular one is marked as R, meaning that it is for the right ear. There are also the metallic charging points which it uses to charge the earbud. On the side that is outside, basically we have a touch sensitive pad and there is a light ring around it as well that glows different colors. The left earbud is exactly the same as the right. Coming to the charging case, it has a glossy black color scheme all the way around it. We also have some ELAP branding on the top. On the other side, which is the front side, the side that has the opening, it has a USB Type C charging port, and underneath the charging port, we have four LED lights that you can use to monitor the amount of charge that the charging case has left. On the inside, we have a matte black color scheme, and we have the two slots for the earbuds and the metallic pins that charge the earbuds. To get started with using the device, first we need to put them in to the charging case, and then we need to remove it, which puts it into pairing mode. For the purposes of this video, we will be connecting the earphones to an Android smartphone via Bluetooth. And here we can see that the Bluetooth name of the device is ELAP TouchPods. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that the device is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback, and we can see that the battery level is 90%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the ELAP TouchPods True Wireless Earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.